Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a tutorial on how to sell your cryptocurrencies by P2P, peer-to-peer in BYBIT. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. So let's go. Okay, so this is our interface for BYBIT. Okay, firstly you go to the asset, then click transfer. Okay, so you need to change your derivative to funding account. Then for the coin, you need to choose USDT. Then you can enter the amount that you want to transfer to the funding account. For me, I put around 240 USDT. Then click confirm transfer. Okay, done transfer successfully. So go back to the home BYBIT interface. Then click buy crypto. Choose P2P trading. You can see buy, sell the button, so we don't want to buy, so we go to the sell. As you can see, my currency right now is Malaysia Ringgit, so you can change the currency whatever you want. Okay, right now we need to find the one who gonna buy our cryptocurrencies, USDT. So for me, I choose Boss Crypto because he seems like authentic. Okay, then you can insert the amount that you want to sell to him. For me, I want to sell around 240 USDT. Then click sell. Okay, so for the first time, so make sure to put your name, bank account. Then click continue. Then you will get a verification code to your phone. Then you can play this puzzle. Make sure to double confirm the amount that you want to sell. Then click sell. Okay, so right now we need to wait for the buyers to back in to our account. And also you can check the buyer. Just comment hi or whatever. Okay, so you need to check your bank account if already in or not. Also you can check your SMS. So if you already got the payment, you need to click release now. Then click the confirmation. Fill the security verification again. Okay, complete. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow my channel.